Hey guys, I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
In today's video, we are in Hawaii. We're gonna show you what we eat on vacation. We love to keep it simple. For those of you who don't know, we used to have very bad cystic acne and we're able to cure it by eating a certain way. So we have a whole book on how we cleared our acne, exactly what our diet is. So if you're interested, it's called the Clear Skin Diet and we'll leave it linked in the description. You can also get it at Barnes & Noble, Target, Walmart, all over at your local bookstore. There's over 60 recipes, so if you want more ideas on foods that we like to eat that are healthy and make you feel great, check out our book. My best tip for eating healthy on vacation would be to think ahead, because then when you're out and there's maybe not the healthiest option, you have something in your bag. And the thing about eating out is it can be extremely expensive. Like you could easily spend $20 on a meal just to be full. So we're not saying it's bad to eat out, but it's helpful if you bring some food and then when you eat out, you can save more money. So yeah, you'll see some ideas we have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a Hawaii video, and let's get into the video.
I know, I have.
Mr. Whiskers! He's little! Come here, Mr. Whiskers! Oh. Good morning, everybody. We've all had breakfast and are now on our way to the North Shore. What are you guys excited for on the North Shore? How are you feeling?
Good.
Feeling good. I'm excited for all the green. Feeling grateful. How are you feeling, Willie?
Yeah, I feel good, feel great. I'm excited to see the beach from Lost.
What do you got there? So what we like to do is we like to have these to-go containers and pack food. And I have rice pasta with beans and vegetables. And why do we pack food to the beach? Well, it's easier way to eat healthy and it's also cheaper. Exactly. These incredible mountains. Apparently, this is the beach where they filmed one of our favorite TV shows, Lost. I don't know if it is though. It looks different. Look at how big these waves are. This is Turtle Bay Resort. They actually filmed the movie Forgetting Sarah Marshall here. This is a locally grown pineapple and it is the best thing I've ever had. Oh, so good. I also packed some food, got some pasta and beans. I've never heard of it. Wait, why are you having us do this?
Calibrated.
No, you're not.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
You're having her spin? This is not how it works. Oh, there it goes. Oh. You know what you got there? My homemade granola. What's in it? Applesauce, oats, and fruit and raisins. It's a great snack and also a great breakfast or a great dessert. Right now we're on our way to the Pillbox hiking trail. So this is the second Pillbox we've done, and we said this before, but
On this trip.
So there's different Pillboxes hikes that you can do throughout the Oahu Island, because they used to be like an army place for people to see, for the military to see oncoming people to the island. So they're really fun, beautiful hikes. Oh yeah. Definitely got a little muddy. It's that time of day where we get banana ice cream. Banana ice cream. Banana is one of our favorite parts of Oahu. Banana is basically healthy ice cream. Here it is. So this is from falling yesterday in the mud. Wow. And it hurts a lot. We couldn't vlog it because it was too muddy.
Brenda, could you give me a spoon?
Okay, so it's just green. Where are we, Nina? We're at the Disney. We're at the Disney Resort. Wow. Oh, this feels like a jungle. Wow. So we can get snorkels? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. A lot of them. Over here. This resort is amazing. We got a They're getting married.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's really warm. Nice. So currently we're all laying on the ground. What are you doing, Randa? She's watching our vlog from yesterday. Check it out. And what are you doing, Willie?
I'm waiting for this file to download from the drone.
Downloading the drone. I'm just closing my eyes, listening to the waves. Feeling good. This is the view above us. What would you guys rate the Aulani resort?
5 stars.
It's amazing. 5 stars. It's so beautiful. Should definitely stay here, right? Yeah. It looks like Mickey's having a party. Come on, let's go to the Mickey party. Oh! Oh my God, this is amazing.
Hey! Now turn it around. Follow Minnie. Pose, pose, one more time. And back. Pose. One more big round of applause for the girls as they head safely back into the
Mickey's on that side of the pool! Guys, let's go find Mickey.
How about we have a boogie boy relay race on that side of the pool? But you have to be 6 years old or older.
That's an awesome idea. We can get even more kids. So come on, hand it over, get the next person going. Last week, we got
So cute. Way to tire him out. Yeah, true. I'm taking notes for the future, you know? If we clap, we can swim faster. There was one time where I was right. What, because you don't know where to walk? No. Or where to go? Willie just doesn't like to listen to me.
No, you just have to listen to directions.
Look at this amazing food. From down to earth. From down to earth. We got sauerkraut right here. Willie's food. And what is this? We got some sauerkraut. Look how big this banana is. But guys, we have these dried apple bananas. If you're on Hawaii, you have to eat them. Those are really, really good. How would you say they taste? They're like apple candy or banana candy. Why would anyone eat gummies? You can eat this. Willie, how's your milkshake?
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
So, what kind of milkshake did you get and how is it?
Vanilla vegan ice cream milkshake.
Wow. Whoa. It's an ice cream shake.
I gotta watch behind me.
You know what? It's golden hour time. You know what that means? It's picture time for the Instagram. Willie, I know you've had several milkshakes while on this trip. Which one's been your favorite? Wait, are you keeping track of how many milkshakes he's had? It's been at least 3. How many milkshakes has Willie had?
This is the third.
3. The third? Willie's
keeping track.
And which is the best one?
This is the largest one. I started off with the small. I started off with the smallest size. So there's 3 sizes, and then first time I got the smallest size. Second time I got the medium size, and then this one I said fuck it and got the biggest one. And it's pretty good.
Must be good. Bigger the better.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you feel like oatmeal is the truth.
What did we just accomplish, Randa?
Took some photos on the
Instagram photos. Hopefully these last us for the next 6 months.
Check it out.
No,
wow, look at the way the
no
hot
joke.
is lighted.
The hot tub is lit? Where? It's blue up there. That's where we're heading, the hot tub.
Look at that surfboard. It's got all these lights.
Oh yeah, the surfboards light up over there. That's cool. Wow, this looks awesome. This blue hot tub. It's time to hot tub.
So that concludes our what I eat in a day. We'll answer a quick question that you guys asked us on Instagram, and it is how to stop binge eating. There are a few reasons people tend to binge on food. I definitely think the emotional aspect is a huge reason why people binge, because if you're not getting enough love in your life, if you're not having family around, or you're lonely, or you're sad. Well, also the type of food. Right, I was gonna say, like, makes you want to reach for the more calorically dense, like potato chips, foods that really stimulate your brain because you're getting your happiness from that. So definitely the emotional aspect is a big reason why people binge, but when you take away the super calorie dense, the super salty, the unhealthy processed foods, it's so much more difficult to binge on
Right.
something like salad or fruit. I would say if you're someone who binge eats, if you cut out junk food just altogether, cut out junk food, and it's going to be so much more difficult to binge. And the thing about binge eating is it's like a learned habit. So if you cut out the foods that make you binge, you can unlearn the habit. For some people though, it's like more serious than others. Like for some people it's an addiction. So they just like can't stop. Once they eat like something junky, they just have to eat more and more and more. And then other people don't have that problem. But yeah, I would say if you have the tendency to binge on super unhealthy foods and feel really guilty and bad about it, I would just say stop the unhealthy food like altogether. I wouldn't even say like do it in moderation, you know?
Right,
like,
I was about to say,
there's people who are alcoholics. Like, oh, if you have alcohol in moderation, it's like, yeah, well, an alcoholic is not gonna
work for
have
everyone.
just one drink, so you just gotta cut it all together. And then there's also people who binge or whatever. Maybe they didn't eat enough the day, like a couple days before, and you have a binge meal. But I don't think that that's like a disorder. That's just like your body catching up in calories. Because I know I've done that. Another thing about binge eating is people who experience a lot of binge eating are people who've dieted a lot or who have tried to really restrict their calories, and then their brain is kind of in this mode of like, oh my gosh, we're gonna be in a caloric deficit soon, we're gonna be in a famine, we need to binge. It's like the subconscious brain saying eat because we don't know when the next meal is gonna be. So people who are constantly in that yo-yo dieting can really be prone to binge eating. But like we said, if you get rid of the unhealthy processed foods, it's going to be so much more difficult to binge, and then your brain can become rewired and learn how to just follow its natural hunger. Yeah, main thing, get rid of the junk. And then I would say like be in a calm environment. Try picking up meditation or like hobbies that make you feel more calm. That's true. I hope that helped you guys. If you have a specific question that you want us to answer in the next video, leave us some questions in the comments and we'll pick a question to answer. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye. Bye.